So children, understood whose development? Our country development. Sometimes some people are suffering, no problem at all. Here some examples is given. Kudankulam nuclear power project, clearly mentioned on blackboard. Kudankulam nuclear power project. Some nuclear power projects are also conducted, especially power generated from water, mostly water and coal. Means hydroelectrical power, thermal electrical power. Thermal electrical power and hydroelectrical power. This is main generated by our government from using coal and water. And from air, solar system we were generated. But day by day, power generation, power use is more increase day by day. Small example, 5 years back and now present, you are in every home. Only 10 years back, only one fan is there, lights are there. Now, in same house, ACs are there, coolers are there, mixies are there, electrical electrical motors, pump sets are there, grinder is there, iron box is there. So day by day, power uses are increase. Day by day, power uses are increase. Government should be thinking about that. The government should be increase the power generation. Suppose they are not increase the power generation, power cuts. They know every day 2-3 hours power cuts. That is more affected on industry sector and agriculture sector. That's why government continuously supply the electrical power, should be construct the hydroelectrical power projects, thermal electrical power projects, a solar system, and as well as nuclear power projects. In Tamil Nadu, one nuclear power projects construction started in nuclear power project, that is called Kudankulam nuclear power project. Children, listen carefully. Kudankulam nuclear power project. Where is that? That is in Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu, nuclear power project constructed. The power project name Kudankulam nuclear power project. This is most important question in exam. When that is constructed near coastal area, who are the fishermen, who are catch the fish in the seas, oceans, the peoples are living that places. Government proposal construct the Kudankulam nuclear power project near coastal area in Tirunelveli district in Tamil Nadu. When the project construction started, the surrounding area people start the movement against the nuclear power project. Why? Because started? What is the reason? Any reasons are there? Why? Because started? As most important reasons are there. Suppose the nuclear power project is work started, power generation started, that is very dangerous. Some radio, some surrounding area total polluted, some waves are coming outside, some wastewater release outside. That's why total polluted surrounding area. They are rising the environmental problem, total pollution. People are when breathing that air, people are affected different diseases. Water pollution, soil pollution, and air pollution, sound pollution. That's why surrounding area, who are the people living near, they start the movement against the Kudankulam nuclear power project. Science, today scientists also environmentalists also, they start the protect movement against the projects. Government thinking alternative. For example, solar system is there. India very bright sunshine is there. Why? Because government not thinking about that. Winds are more blowing. From winds, you also predict the new power. But today governments are, some nuclear power projects are constructed. This is very dangerous. Who are the people living surrounding area? Remember, most important, whose development? Our development, okay. But nuclear, Kudankulam nuclear power project when started in Tirunelveli district, surrounding area peoples are very suffering. Means here, more peoples are benefited using the power, develop the industry, agriculture sector, other sector. Who are the people living very long distance? They are very more benefited. Who are the people living surrounding area where they are, the group of the people total suffering. That's why against construction of the nuclear power project, the Kudankulam area, Tirunelveli district people, the coastal area people, fishermen, the people start the movement against the Kudankulam nuclear power project. Understood, children? Whose development? Country development. More people benefited, but some people are suffering their life. Their total loss their livelihood. Their agricultural land or houses are, these places, they're totally polluted area. People are suffering different diseases. So that's why so many environmental movements are started. You know, Chipko movement, you know very well, 9th class syllabus, some other English and other subjects also discuss about the Chipko movement. Chipko movement started by Sundarlal Bahuguna. Who? Sundarlal Bahuguna. Start the Chipko movement. So Sundarlal Bahuguna is also always thinking about the, don't cut the trees. When you cut the trees, pollution is increased. So when pollution is increased, rains are not coming to time, and as well as sometime more drought, lands are becoming deserts. That's why government should be thinking what the peoples are suffering surrounding area. Government also thinking about surrounding area people, benefits, welfare, etc. Understood now? Whose development? Our development. But all people, in the country, everybody happy. More generic power supply. But what the people living surrounding area, they're more suffering. That's why a rising question, whose development? Understood now? So, that is called Kudankulam nuclear power project. Everybody has some aspiration to develop in their life. More, they're doing hard work. They want to achieve the goals. They're thinking how to reach the goal. But somebody, different people, different ways are there. Different skills are there. So that's why everybody thinking about that. Understood, children? Now, so whose development? Our development. Our country development. Understood now? Our development. Our country development. Thank you.